So correct is option. Next question is, which equation has the same solution as 4x plus 6 to 18, or x is equal to, so x is equal to 3. So now this equation. Next. The function of g is defined by this, which value of x is 25. For 25, it must be 16. So x must be 4. Next, each face of a 14-sided die is labeled with the number from 1 to 14, with a different number appearing in each face. If the die is rolled one time, what is the probability of rolling a 2? It's, I think, 2 by 14. Doubt. A printer produces posters at a constant rate of 42 posters per minute. At what rate a poster per hour does a printer produces the poster? So they go in 1 minute. In 1 minute, it produces 42 posters. Okay, so in 60 minutes, it will produce 42 into 60. Let's check options now. Oh, this is a subjective question. So its answer is 0, 2, 2, 5. Next. The function f is defined by the equation this. What is the value of x when x is equal to 4? So 7 4s are 28 and then 30. The correct answer is 30. Next. A teacher is creating an assignment worth 70 points. The assignment will consist of questions worth 1 point and questions worth 3 points. Which equation represents a situation where x represents number of x and y represents the number of 3 points? So the answer is 1 into x plus worth 70 points plus 3 into y is equal to 70. Let's see, yes, this option. Next. 8, 9. Right triangle LNM and PQR are similar when LNM corresponds to P and Q. Angle M has measure of 53 degrees. What is the measure of angle P? 37 degrees. Triangle. Okay, 1 minute. Angle M had a measure. Angle M had a measure 53 degrees. What is the measure of angle Q? So angle Q will be 50 degrees due to similarity. Next. The solution y is equal to minus 3x or x plus y is equal to minus 15. The solution of a given system of equation is x and y. What is the value of x? Is x comma y. Okay, so we have to calculate this answer. So it's a little bit harder, but no doubt. We can write 3x plus y is equal to 0 and 4x plus y is equal to 15. So y cancels and this becomes minus x is equal to minus 15 and your answer is 15. Value of x is this answer. Next. Okay. Which of the following equation is the most appropriate linear model for the data shown in the scatter plot? Okay. If we line these points, the line becomes this, this, this. Almost, we can say that the line is straight. So it will cut x-axis at this point and this at this. So we can write. I've not understood this question. Question number 11. Scattered point in a vector with the origin labeled over x-axis radius. 10 data points. Linear pattern trending down from left to right. Select data points have the following approximate coordinate 0.8, 0.9. 2.8, 5.1, 4.1, 2.9. Okay. Which of the equation is the most appropriate linear model for the data? Okay. This is the increase decrease. अगर जब मैं 2 पे रखती हूँ 2 पे रखा मैंने तो ये 5.1 more it's 2.8 something 2.8 let's organize this yes 2.8 and here 5.1 approximate and no one is exact also y is equal to putting in equation and checking. So if I am putting y is equal to 8.9 is equal to calculator. Next, the graph of is shown whether the function is defined by fx a q abc at your whether x does fx is equal to 0. Three values. Next is 18 v1 rupees $71 each. Each package for party hats cost rupees 3 and each cupcake cost rupees $1. V1 bought 10 packages of party hats. How many cupcakes did she buy? So equation will be पार्टी हैट्स को x मानेंगे और कपकेक को y मानेंगे. अब दोनों जो नंबर मिला के आया है वो है मेरा $71 और हैट का कॉस्ट है मेरा $3. एक हैट का कॉस्ट 10 मतलब $30 उसने यहाँ खर्च किए. तो $71 में उसने $30 खर्च किया तो मतलब 41 वो $41 ₹1 का कपकेक और ₹3 का हैट. नेक्स्ट z square plus 10z minus 24 is equal to 0. Which one of the solutions for the given equation? What is one of the solutions? So 24 can be written as 12, no, 20 minus 4, no, 20, 26, 6, 4. So it will be plus, no, yes, plus 12z minus 2z minus 24. Z plus 12 and z minus 2 is equal to 0. So z is equal to 2. Next, bacteria are growing in a liquid growth medium. There were itna cells per milliliter during an initial observation. The number of cells per milliliter doubles every 3 hours. How many cells per millimeter will there be 15 hours after the initial observation? Bacteria are growing in a liquid growth medium per millimeter unit. If the number of per minute doubles, F doubles every 3 hours. So 3 hours में ये 9 into okay. This one will be 3 into 5. So 5 into 3. So मतलब 15. This is the correct one. Next. Which expression is equivalent to 6x square y square x to the power j plus 1. Three plus 2. Yeah. Next. Module 1. A neighbor consists of 2 hectare park and 35 hectare residential area. The total number of trees in the neighborhood is Etna. The equation to x plus c represents this situation. Which of these following is the best interpretation of x in this context? Per hectare, average number of trees, total number of trees or total number of trees in the per hectare. This option is wrong. Total number of trees in the park. Which of these following the best interpretation of x in terms of this context? So x represents the park. This option is correct. Next, this is graph of a line sweeping with origin labeled 0, the x-axis labeled continuum. An increment of 5 with reduced mount every 2 straight lines, the x-axis is labeled continuum. It ranges from 0 to 15. And slant down from left to right. 40, 60, 0, 40, 60, 0, 0, 40, and 60, 0. Okay. Relation between the number of shares of stocks from company X and number of shares in stocks from company B, Y, and Simon can purchase, which equation could represent? So if X is equal to, at this point, midway of shift taken this point, this is this at this point will be 35, 20, and this is the point where we will get 35, 20. So 35 plus 20 is equal to 5, 3 into 5, 55. I forgot this answer. I know how to do this, but I cannot solve right now. I will solve later. Next, circle A has radius 3n. A का radius मेरे को 3n दिया है. Then circle B has radius 129 n, where n is a positive constant. The area of circle B is how many times the area of circle A. So constant means 43, yes. Next, data value and frequency. Frequency table summarizes the 57 data values in a data set. What is maximum data value in the data set? Data value in the maximum set. maximum data value is 14, and I think we will revise this question also. Next is a circle in the x-y plane has a diameter with endpoints itna and itna. 2 comma 4 and 2 comma 14, no doubt. An equation of the circle r square, where r is a part, what is the value of r? 2 comma 4, 2 comma 9 has taken. Now, no doubt, but we sure have. One, then 5, and for a minus time will p, in converse it's 5 unit. Next is the measure of angle r is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 radian. What does it mean? 2 pi by 3 into 182, 60, 120. It's 120. 2 into 1 to 240 by 3. Sorry, 180, 360 by 3, 120. The measure of angle is 5 by 12 pi, 180. So 15 into 5, 75. It is 75. Then the measure of angle T is greater than the measure of angle R. What is the angle T in degrees? 75 degrees. A certain town is an area itna square miles. What is the area in square yards of this town? The 4.36. So 436 into 1760 by 100. So cancel. Mm, 36. This answer is correct. Not exactly. Review. Yes, for line H, the table shows three values of x and their corresponding values of y. Line K is the result of translating line H down 5 units in the XY. So this is the question. This line is like this. Okay, 9 inch x 18 to y 130 something. That's 18. It's 18 and it's 130. Point is this. Next 23 somewhat like this. 23 and point is 63. And this is um, 26 and what is little bit higher. Okay, so line is this. From this line, what you can uh, it can be 0. No, 0 is not option. So it can go in this way and you will find these lines this way. Okay. So y axis will be 0 and I think 23 by 26. 9 by 2 it's 8 uh, and it's 4 it's 3 and it's 2 also uh, x-intercept. For this we have to calculate from so it's positive this if suppose this is like this so 13 uh, it will be 160 on no 130 130 on 18 two nines are 7 points. I don't know really, but I can try. Question. I think this is the answer. But this is quadratic now. Okay, this is. See, we'll see this answer. Next. For each real number R, which of the following points lie into graph of the equation? Um, it will not possible है. No solution है मतलब two lines are parallel. Don't know. Height is equal to root 3 by 2 into now root under 3 by 4 into a का स्क्वायर मतलब 4k का स्क्वायर is equal to 6 2 4 k cancel options 6 to 4 mm. This question is very but module 2 mm. 30 earns $P for every W so far. Out of $20, it earns 39p. Mm. Whether this or this. Y is equal x is equal to 4 3 is a 12 minus 12 plus 6 is equal to minus 12. This option is correct. Minus 6 plus 12. The SU 40 plus 3D. The speed in miles per hour of V1 is so the right triangle show A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5. The expression represents the value of C. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5. Value of C. For given equation 40. Next, yes, x intercept of the given solution. X is 0. What is the value of x? I didn't get 7. So the straight line. The total line. The graph in the xy plane. Y intercept p y 0 कभी नहीं होगा x पे 0 होता है
Maybe can you do this?
y
Why?
एक ही तरफ नहीं बनता
So can I do this?
किया के लिए
एक खाली भगवान
की दिक्कत छो हार्ड हो जाए છે
Why? Production and its management. The first thing is what is crop. Crop basically क्या है? Crop basically क्या है? जब same kind of plant structure grow किए जाते हैं एक particular BC में, then it is distributed crop. क्या है? Same kind में बच्चा लोग same kind of plant grow on a large scale cropping to this particular. Crop क्या होती है? Crop means So they can have maybe Rabi and Rabi. That is based on season. That is based on what season के हिसाब से बात करते हैं. जैसे पोषण का जो हिसाब से बात करते हैं, दो महीने के हिसाब से बात करेगा. ठीक उसी अब खरीफ क्रॉप क्या है, रबी क्रॉप. खरीफ क्रॉप बेसिकली रेनी सीजन में होता है और ये जून टू जुलाई में मम्मी
सत्तू
हाँ हमारे तक नहीं करेला से
हाँ? ये
That's it. Ulang pensar apa?
हाँ?
इनके माउंटेन पर चढ़ेगा तो माउंटेन नीचे हरियाणा के इलाके में है बहुत ज्यादा स्पेस मिलेगा वगैरह टाइम लगा रहेगा शायद अब पिक्चर में अच्छे हरियाणा से स्पेस मिलेगा आसानी वही बहुत ज्यादा
कुछ नहीं कुंचल बच्चों नहीं